KKBO showground. Don't ask us how we got these bikes in or out of this van. Just trust us and Sam's technique. Quick show in here. Fucking massive marquee. Stage. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be great. Really looking forward to it. Mega.
That's about 20 meters. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Thank you. Thank you very much. That's my alien friend. So the one that he's got is mine's a song called Heartbeat.
Hi guys, we've had a great turnout here. I just want to say a mega thank you to everybody who's turned up to support us and help make our part of the show decent. So, thank you.